Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and versatile BOLUO Black Nightstands Set of 2, perfect for enhancing any bedroom, dorm room, or living space with their modern design and practical functionality. These nightstands feature 2 fabric drawers with elegant wood fronts, offering a stylish yet easy-to-clean solution for storing books, clocks, lamps, and personal accessories, all while supporting up to 13 pounds per drawer and 35 pounds on top. With overall dimensions of 13.8 inches deep, 19.7 inches wide, and 23.6 inches high, these compact nightstands are designed to maximize storage in small spaces, making them an ideal choice for any room in your home or office. The high-quality steel frame ensures durability and ease of assembly, while the 4 adjustable feet protect your floors from scratches, offering a lightweight alternative to bulky wooden furniture. Whether you're looking for a convenient end table by the sofa or a toy organizer in a child's room, the BOLUO Black Nightstands provide a multi-purpose solution that seamlessly blends with any decor style. Plus, you can explore more fabric dressers from the same collection to create a cohesive look throughout your space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.